Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to free up your Google Drive storage space. Now you may not know this, but your storage space is actually shared across these three platforms: your Google Drive, your Google Photos, and Gmail. I'm going to show you how to clear each one individually in easy steps. I'm also going to share some tips with you along the way and show you a very interesting hack that can help you get at least 15 gig free Google Drive storage space. So let's get into it. So first things first, you're going to want to make sure that your internet connection is turned on. Then open Google Chrome and head over to this corner here that says Google Apps. Click on it and scroll down. Select Drive and wait for it to load. Now that we're on this page, at this corner here, you'll see the storage. This actually shows you how much space you have left and how much you've used up. Click on it. And once you're on this page, you actually notice that your files are sorted from the largest to the smallest. Now you can go through each one, find out which is useful to you, and delete the unimportant files by clicking on it and pressing this icon here. Now, if you want to select more than one, hold down Shift and use the down arrow. This will help you select multiple files. So one very important thing you're going to need to remember is to always clear out your trash once you're done deleting your files. Any items still in the trash will still take up space even though they've been deleted. So head on over to trash and clear out any files in here. As you can see, I have nothing here, so I'm going to head back to storage. Click on clean up space and it will take you to a new tab. So this page is called Google One. Here you can manage and go through the files on each of the platforms: Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, without having to open them manually. But we are actually going to open them manually later on for a more in-depth clean. For now, go to emails with large attachments and click on review. Here you'll find the files in your email that take up the most space. Go through each one, decide which is important and which isn't, and click on delete. Once you've done that, head over to trash and as always, clear it. Here you can tick this box to select everything in trash and click on delete. As you can see, I've gotten 1 megabyte back. Cancel that and head back. Next, you want to close this page. We're done here for now and head back to Google Drive. On this side, you will notice your spam. Click on it. I don't have anything in spam, but if you do, delete it all and go to trash and clear it from there as well. So we're done on this page now, Google Drive. So we're going to close this, open a new tab, go to this corner that says Google Apps, scroll down and select Google Photos. So in Google Photos, there's a way for you to reduce the size of the photos you upload. First, you want to go to settings, and here you can see the quality that your photos are saved in. This is the original quality and it saves it exactly how you uploaded it. Now to save space, you want to select storage saver. It reduces the quality slightly. You may not even notice the difference, but it will help you save a lot of space. Move over to the left side of the screen and scroll down to select storage. Here you'll see how long it will take for your storage to fill up. I haven't uploaded consistently, so I don't have an estimate here, but this will help you manage your storage efficiently. So here you'll see your large photos and videos, blurry photos, and any unsupported videos. You want to go through each folder and delete any unimportant files. Once you've done that, head back over to storage and scroll down. Here you'll see convert existing photos and videos to storage saver. Click learn more. So what this does is switch your original photos from the original quality to storage saver. This will help you save a significant amount of space. So tick this checkbox that says I understand that compressing my existing photos and videos cannot be undone. Then compress existing photos and videos. Now don't get worried if you don't see any changes in your storage space immediately. It will take a few hours to finish compressing them completely. While you wait, head over to trash and clear out any files you have here. Remember, files in trash still take up space even though they've been deleted. So I'm going to empty the trash. In case you're wondering, you don't have to leave this tab open while the files are being compressed. You can actually close it. It will continue in the background. So I'm going to open a new tab and close that and head on over to Gmail. So the first thing you want to do here is head over to your promotions tab. Go through each of the files here to make sure you don't accidentally delete anything important. If you decide that everything here is unimportant, click here, select all, and trash it. Next, head over to the social tab and go through any files you have here. Sometimes they aren't so important, but you want to go through them to make sure you don't delete anything important. Select the files and delete. Once you've done that, head over to the left side of the screen, click on More and select Spam. I don't have anything here, but if you do, clear it all out and head over to Trash. Remember what I said earlier? Files in trash still take up space even though they've been deleted. So, head over here, select all, and delete. So that's pretty much it. But I recommend that you go to the Google One page at least every week to help you manage your larger files. This will help you stay ahead of your storage space. Now, it's time for the hack I promised. Hack will help you get at least 15 gig free Google Drive storage space. So for that, open a new tab and we're actually going to create a new account. First, sign out of your current account and click on use another account. Click create account. You can choose for your personal use or for work or business. I'm going to choose personal use. Follow all the steps here to create a new account. Once you've done that, sign into the new account. Enter your email, click next. Enter your password and click next. Once you're signed in, head over to this corner and open up Google Drive. Here you'll see that you have 15 gig free storage and you didn't have to pay for it. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Now you can create multiple accounts like this, but I don't know if there's a limit to the number you can create. So you can just test that out. And that's it, we're done. That is how you clear up and manage your Google Drive storage space. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and if you have any questions or tips, drop them in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye, and I'll see you in the next video.